I'm unboxing the Samsung Connect Home Pro. Okay, so this is the 3-pack. Alright, let's see. Whole home coverage, work as SmartThings hub, simple setup and control, secure system. And SmartThings is just extras that you can get for your whole home. Let's see what's inside. Okay, here is one of the hubs inside a box. Another one. Okay, and number 3. So here we have 3. They have different letters on them, it looks like. I'm not sure what those are for. Here is quick start guide. 4 simple steps to get it set up. Tells you all about your device, how to pair your mobile device, download an app, connect a cable, and then connect your app. SmartThings hub setup, that would be to add other smart things around your home. Light fixtures, power outlets and whatnot. So that's everything inside the box. That's what it comes with. Okay, so I've opened one of these up. This is what the hub looks like. Nice and small. And then we have, let's see, power cord. Okay. The second one, same, with the power adapter. Okay, this is the third one. This is the one that had the L on the box. The other two had a U on the box. So this is the same, the hub. And okay, here's quick start, little guide, and power cord, and the Ethernet cable to connect to the modem. So that's everything that it comes with. What we're going to do with these, we're going to set up one of these with our modem, and then we're going to have 2 more just around the house to get full Wi-Fi connection.